Welcome back to Video Learning with Miss Minion. I am so happy you're here. Let's get started by singing a song. Today I think we should sing Friends in Our Class. Ready? Friends in our class. 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 There's Ed Markey and there's Natalie, Brayden and Cassandra, Annis and Isabel, Anthony and Draven, friends in our class. 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 There's Kennedy and Anderson, Valentina and Kimberly, Sophia and Emily, Aria and Sebastian, friends in our class. 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 There's Juna, Lisa, Brianna, Mariana, Alexia, Jaden, and Manuel, Miss Minion, and YouTube, friends in our class. 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 All right, for our share today, I will let you know that yesterday I made mini quesadillas with beans and corn and zucchini and peppers and some cheese and some spicy sauce, and they were really good. And I started watching a new TV show with my roommates. And let's do our poem or song today. I have super readers. I was thinking we could practice it again so we make sure we learn it. Ready? You can sing it with me. The Super Reader Song. Super reader, does whatever a reader can. Sees a word, any size, reads that word before your eyes. Look out, here comes the super reader. And let's do our message. Today is Wednesday, April 14th, 2020. Dear Room 109 Minions, good morning. What do? You can read these words. You don't need me. You think goes on this side of the equation. 6 plus 4 equals, what goes there? Let's draw a picture to figure it out. We have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Plus 4 more. Let's draw 4 more in red. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many in all? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 in all. 6 and 4 together is the same as 10 in all. Love, Miss Minion. And before we do our sight words, I have a special surprise for you. I know Miss Berman showed you a picture of Little Miss Berman, and I thought it'd be fun to see, can you guess Little Miss Minion? Here's the photo. Which one is Little Miss Minion? I don't know. We'll have to look tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll show you which one is Little Miss Minion. Let's do our sight words. This word is went. W-E-N-T spells went. What word is this? That's right, it's will. W-I-L-L spells will. What word is this? That's right, it's yes. Y-E-S spells yes, yes, yes. And this word is, that's right, it's came. C-A-M-E spells came, came, came. What about this word? That's right, it's here. H-E-R-E spells here, here, here. And this word? That's right, it's his. H-I-S spells his, his. Pause the video now and make our sight words using magnetic letters and write them on the whiteboard. Pausa el video ahora y crea nuestras palabras de uso visual con letras magnéticas y escríbales en el whiteboard, en el pizarra. Hey there, readers! So we've been learning all about our superpowers. Let's read. We are super readers. And remind me what this power is. What does this say? Let's read it. We have pointer power. But today I want to tell you that even superheroes sometimes get stuck and lose their power. Like Spider-Man sometimes encounters kryptonite and he gets kind of weak and he has to work really hard to get his powers back up. This happens to super readers too. Sometimes super readers come across a really long, hard word. And it's really hard and you have to work so hard to get your pointer power back up and get your reading power back up. But you can do it, just like Spider-Man. Long words are reader kryptonite. Sometimes longer words trick us into wanting to point 2 or 3 or 4 times, even though it's just one word. Words like everybody or computer or kryptonite. Those long words make us want to point a bunch of times. But we have to remember one word gets only 1 point, even if it's really long. Today I want to remind you, you do 1 point for one word, even if it's a long word. I have some color words here. We're going to read them together. Notice how I point only 1 time for one word. All right, I have some color words here. I want you to read the words with me while I point. Blue, red, yellow. Notice how every word got only 1 tap. Even yellow. Yellow is a long kryptonite word. Listen, yellow. But I only have 3 colors here. I only have 3 words, blue, red, and yellow. That means I only have 3 taps to give. Watch me one more time. Notice how I hold my finger down when I read yellow. Blue, red, yellow. Now let's look at some pictures of some animals. These are some animal words. Let's say and tap each word 1 time. Fish, tiger, bear. Again, fish, tiger, bear. Which word is longer? Which word tried to weaken our pointer power? Which word was a kryptonite word that tried to trick us into tapping it more than 1 time? That's right, it was tiger. It tried to trick us into going tiger, but that's not what we do. We hold our finger down like I did. Watch. Tiger. We hold our finger down the whole time for that long word. Even though it has 2 parts, tiger, it still gets just 1 tap. Now let's look at this in a book. Here's the back. Some of these words are easy. But some of these words are long and might trick you. Like watch. Baseball. No, not 2 points. Watch. I gotta hold my finger down. Baseball. While I say all of the parts of the word. Baseball. See how I did that? All right. Today and every day while you're reading, I want you to remember you have power in that pointer finger. And you need to remember to hold it down when you get to a long, scary kryptonite word. Hold it down while you say the whole word. Don't give it more than one tap. Every word gets only one tap. And remember, if your words don't match, you get to the end and it doesn't match, go back and try again. Readers try again and again and again to grow their brain and to grow their reading power. Happy reading! Pause now to do your reading homework. Pausa ahora para hacer tu tarea de lectura. Read your books and practice using your pointer power. Look out for those kryptonite words. Make sure you hold your finger down on the long, hard words. Even if they have lots of parts, they still get only one tap. And then, watch a guided reading video on YouTube. Any one you like. It can be one you've done before or a new one. Lee tus libros y practica usando tu pointer power. Y mire un video de lectura guiada en YouTube. Today we're going to be working a little bit more on our narratives. Remember, a narrative is one of the kinds of writing we did. This says types of writing. This says narrative. That's when we write a true story about our lives. What happened first, middle, and end. And this one here says nonfiction teaching. That's like the taco book that I wrote. That's when you teach a reader about a topic. But we're not working on that right now. We're working on our narratives. Here's my narrative about my roommate Will's birthday party. And yesterday I drew the cover. Today I'm going to start the first page. Today I want to teach you that it's very important that writers write their narratives in time order. That means the first page of your book should be what happened first. When the reader reads your book, it will go in time order. So what happened first? First, we made decorations. I'm going to draw that. I'm going to draw my desk. I'm going to draw me. I'm kind of sitting at my desk. And I was making paper chains. And I had scissors and a stapler. And I was in my room, so I should draw the background. I should draw my blue chair. I should draw my bed over here. My blanket at the bottom. My pillows. And I should draw the window. My curtain. And I want to make sure that I leave enough space at the bottom to write my words. And I want to make sure I use my people color when I'm drawing people. Look at all these people colors. Try your best to make it match what the person looks like in real life. And I can add some labels to my picture. I can write window, Whoa, 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 whoa. I iguana. Win and nest. Wind D dog. Wind long ocean. I can write bed. B bear. Short egg. D dog. I can write me. That's a sight word. M-E. I can write chair. Oh, that's one of our special blends. Chair. CH makes that chair sound. I iguana. Chair ring. Chair, and I'll write desk. D dog. The egg desk. S socks. Desk. K kite. All right, your job today is going to be to draw your picture of what happened first. Make sure you use real life colors, lots of details, and add some labels. You don't have to worry about doing the words yet. We're going to talk a little bit about the words tomorrow. Pause now to do your writing homework. Pausa ahora para hacer tu tarea de escritura. Work on the first page of your writing book. Focus on drawing the picture and adding labels. Don't worry about words yet, but leave space for them at the bottom. Make sure your first page shows what happened first. Narrative books go in time order. Trabaja en la primera página de tu libro de escritura. Concéntrese en dibujar la imagen y agregar etiquetas. No se preocupe por las palabras todavía, pero deje espacio para ellas en la parte inferior. Asegúrese de que su primera página muestre lo que sucedió primero. Los libros narrativos van en orden de tiempo. Hey mathematicians! Today I want to teach you that math brains focus really hard on solving problems. They use math they know to find an answer. They draw pictures, they count, and they write equations to show their thinking. Let's do some of this. Get out your whiteboard and your whiteboard marker. Do you have your whiteboard and your whiteboard marker out? We're going to draw some pictures. There are two kids named Daniel and Marta. Daniel sees a group of 3 fluffy white clouds in the sky. Marta sees 1 gray cloud. How many clouds do they see in all? Draw a picture to show what is happening, and then write an equation to tell how many clouds in all. Can we solve this by using a drawing to show the problem? Yes, we can. Okay, what do you know about the clouds Daniel sees? You can say, I know. That's right, Daniel sees 3 fluffy white clouds. What do you know about the clouds Marta sees? You can say, I know. That's right, Marta sees 1 dark gray cloud. What did you ask to find? You can say, it wants me to find. Yeah, it wants you to figure out how many clouds they see in all. Let's make a drawing to solve this. Do it with me. Daniel sees 3 fluffy white clouds. Let's draw them. 1, 2, 3. Marta sees 1 gray cloud. Let's draw it. And we can go like this to show that it's darker. It's a dark gray cloud. How many clouds do they see in all? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. They see 4 clouds in all. Can we write an equation to show the problem? What do we want to write on this side? You can say we should write. Yeah, we should write the clouds Daniel sees and the clouds Marta sees. Daniel sees 3 and Marta sees 1. What should we write on this side of the equal sign? That's right. We should write how many clouds they see in all together. Write 4. 3 and 1 is 4. How does your equation show the groups of clouds? What does this 3 mean? You can say the 3 is for. That's right, the 3 is for the 3 clouds Daniel sees. What's the 1 for? You can say the 1 is for. That's right, the 1 is for the clouds that Marta sees. What is the 4 for? You can say the 4 is for. That's right, the 4 is how many clouds they see all together. How many clouds in all? Let's try another one. Okay, you ready? I'm going to read it to you, and I want you to draw the picture. Daniel sees 3 fish in one bowl and 3 fish in another bowl. How many fish does he see in all? How can Daniel show this addition story? Daniel's probably going to start by drawing the 2 bowls. Here's one bowl. Here's the other bowl. Can you do that? Now what should I do? See, Miss Minion, you should draw. Remember, Daniel sees 3 fish in one bowl and 3 fish in another bowl. Yeah, I should draw the 3 fish in this bowl and the 3 fish in that bowl. I'm going to draw fish like that. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. How could I show this with numbers? That's right, I can write 3. That 3 is for the 3 fish in that bowl plus 3. That 3 is for the 3 fish in that bowl equals how many fish do I have in all? Yeah, I have 6 fish in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 6 is for the 6 fish I have in all. I have a question for you. How does drawing a picture help you solve an addition problem? You can say it helps you because. Pause now to do your math homework. Pausa ahora para hacer tu tarea de matemáticas. Keep playing the video and look at the problems. Solve them by writing the whole number sentence on your whiteboard. You can draw a picture to help you. These are challenge problems, so if they are a little too hard today, that is okay. Just try your best. I do not expect you to get them all on the first try. Sigue reproduciendo el video y mira los problemas. Resuélvalos escribiendo a la oración numérica entera en su pizarra. Puedes hacer un dibujo para ayudarte. Estos son problemas de desafío, así que si hoy son un poco difíciles, Está bien. Solo haz tu mejor esfuerzo. No espero que los tengas todos en el primer intento. All right, here's the first one. Pause on this screen. Where does the plus sign go? Where does the equal sign go? Now write on your whiteboard. Let's do the first one. 1 plus equals 4. What goes in the blank? If you have 1, how many more do you need to get 4? Draw a picture to help you. Did you get it? It was 3. 1 plus 3 more equals 4. Now let's think about the other one. Write it on your whiteboard. 3 plus equals 4. If you have 3, how many more do you need to get 4? Draw a picture to help you. Start by drawing 3 and see how many more do you need to get 4. Pause the video, press play when you're done. Did you get it? That's right, you need 1 more. 3 plus 1 equals 4. Did you notice a pattern? Yeah, it adds up to 4 no matter what. 1 and 3 is 4, and 3 is 1, and 3 and 1 is 4. Even if you switch the numbers around, it still adds up to 4. Let's try another one. This one you should do without me. See, can you write both number sentences on your whiteboard? 2 and what is 5? What and 2 is 5? What is the number that's missing? That's right, the missing number was 3. 2 plus 3 equals 5. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Don't forget those plus signs and those equal signs. Can you think of another way to make 5? Get out some cubes or some marbles to help you. How can you make 5? What two numbers, when you put them together, make 5? Once you figure it out, write some number sentences for it. Remember, you can write a different number sentence by switching the numbers around. Are you all done? Let's check your work. There are lots of number sentences that could add up to 5. Here are some of them. All right, here's a super challenge. This one's really tricky. If 1 plus 2 equals 3, and 10 plus 20 equals 30, what is 100 plus 200 equal? Did you get it? This one's super hard. It's 300. 100 plus 200 is 300. We'll talk about that more in a few weeks. All right, phonics friends. Today we're going to look a little bit deeper into our letter charts. We've been working a lot on our letter chart that looks like this. Today I want to introduce you to a new kind of chart. This one's for our blends and our digraphs. That's when you put two letters together and it makes a special sound. Some are really weird, like chair. Some are a little bit more normal, like block, where the B and the L blend together to make the B sound. Do you hear the B and the L in the B sound? Let's go through some of these. A lot of these we learned before school ended. Ready? Let's start with the first one. B and R together makes the sound brr, like in bridge. S and C, when you put them together, make the sk, sk, scarf sound. Do you hear the s and the k in sk? Scarf. B and L together make the B sound, like block. Say it with me, block. S and C and R make the sound skr, like a screw. Say it with me, skr, like a screw. It's kind of like the S and the C together, plus the ring sound. See, it's just like math. We're adding sounds together. Screw. Say that with me, screw. And the last one we're going to do today is C and H together. Make the sound ch-air. Hear it? Chair. All right, I'm going to show it to you, and I want you to say the sound. B and R make what sound? That's right, brr. What about this one? S and C together make what sound? That's right, sk, scarf. B and L together make what sound? That's right, block. S, C, and R together make what sound? That's right, screw. And the last one, C and H together make what sound? That's right, chair, chair. Are you ready for your homework? Pause now to do your phonics homework. Pausa ahora para hacer tu tarea fonética. Look at these pictures and use your magnetic letters to make each of the words. Listen for the sounds in the beginning, middle, and end of the word. For an extra challenge, you can write the words instead of building them with magnetic letters. Mire estas imágenes y use sus letras magnéticas para formar cada una de las palabras. Escuche los sonidos al principio, a la mitad y al final de la palabra. Para un desafío adicional, puedes escribir las palabras en lugar de construirlas con letras magnéticas. These words are bread, block, screen, chick, scarf, and chain. Listen closely for those beginning sounds, those beginning blends. Go back to the video of our chart if you need a reminder. Don't forget to give yourself a sticker. We're working so hard for that 25 sticker prize. Getting lesson 25 and earning the secret, special, surprise prize that I'll show you soon. Today is the 15th.